Hello friends, welcome to Rishali's Education for You channel. So friends, today we are going to learn slogan on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So let's start. Clean India, Developed India. Clean India, Diseases Free India. Be clean and keep India clean. Our country is our identity, so keep identity clean. If India will be clean, it will be go green. Keep India clean to let it always green. Work on cleaning from our side and make India feel the pride. Please clean your houses, road, schools, buildings and streets. Cleanliness is our primary need. Make a society have a good impression by working towards the sanitation. Clean and be healthy. Then you can become wealthy. Don't think, don't guess. Just get up and clean up the mess. A clean nation is a healthy nation. To get a clean and healthy nation, say no to open defecation. Drop your ego, stop your scooter, clean surrounding for a healthy future. Even if you are a bride or the groom, hesitate to pick up the broom. Make the Clean India mission an obsession. Borrow a broom if you have to borrow for the sake of a healthy tomorrow. Every Indian must be aware and stop littering everywhere. Stop winning, start cleaning. Is it the time to self-examination? Say no. It is never late. Let's clean our surrounding and make India great. Forget the clouds. Look at the ground. Clean it and make your family proud. Switch from complaining to clean will give you a healthy feeling. Clean villages, clean the cities, clean all your untidy proximities. Whether you are a driver or a pilot, no shame in cleaning the toilet. To complete achievement of a hygiene, it is very important to use dustbin. Except from the books and courses, let's teach our children to clean the resources. What if your friend catch you in the motion? Shame, shame, open defecation. Prime Minister has started Swachh Bharat mission. Let's clean all our India to get complete sanitation. Let's take the nature sites and make the Swachh Bharat mission our pride. Whether the sun shines or it rains, clean the India should be our aim. Clean your houses, roads, and streets. Cleanliness is our basic need. Let's work on cleanliness from our side and make India feel pride. Every small step towards sanitation will bring a big change for the nation. Works towards the sanitation and your society will have a good impression. Don't be mean. Feel free to use dustbin. Every India must be aware and stop littering everywhere. First clean, then healthy will one day make you wealthy. Let's make this our appeal. We will make India open defecation free. Let's now or never. Let's take the oath. We will keep our India clean forever. We can make our country beautiful. By participating in Swachh Bharat mission, we can achieve something fruitful. Cleanliness can provide us inner peace. Clean India mission is something that we need. Our little contribution in Swachh Bharat mission can bring a big changes. Make India great again. Participate in Swachh Bharat mission to bring a new regain. For cleanliness, we still have hope because Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has a big scope. For Clean India mission, you don't need anybody's permission. It's on us to decide. By choosing Clean India mission, we can make our nation bright. For this fifth solution, who else we can blame? Nothing much, only Clean India should be our aim. Heaven could be on earth. Cleanliness is something which has priceless worth. This fact can't be denied. For Clean India mission, we have to change our mind. Our future is on your hand. For Clean India mission, you have to take a stand. We call our country mother. By helping in Clean India mission, we can make her clean forever. If we don't to make India a developed nation, then Clean the India mission is the necessity. Clean India mission is something which we need for progress of our country. If we want to change image of India in world, so we have to actively participate in Clean India mission. एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. Cleanliness is next to goldness. Let's make the right choice and use dustbin. Clean India, beautiful India. धरती माता करे पुकार, आस पास का करो सुधार। क्लीन सिटी, माय ड्रीम सिटी।